Today's a big day. Today's the big top push of Alegria's big top, and a big top is Alegria's tent. We're going to the Old Port of Montreal, and it should be pretty cold, so I'm gonna put on a lot of clothes. Winter boots. What is a big top push?
I don't know. I think it's when they lift up the top of the big top.
No comments.
Pushing the Rondellstangen hoch, so you can lift up the zelt, and I don't know the English word for this.
They will raise the tent.
No, they put the walls up.
Yeah, they put the walls up.
Because the tent's up, so they all run and they like little
push.
minions.
That's first time for me. Yay!
Big top push.
It's the big push, and you do.
A big top push. We are raising the big top. We push all of the spikes that stand the big top up. And that's a big top push. You'll see, it's gonna be fun.
Originally we were gonna take the buses, but they got delayed, so now we're on the one wheel. And yeah, that's a good 10-kilometer ride.
It's gotta be fun.
That way. So those 4 masts is going to be the supporters, the big supporters, and in the middle the stage is going to be. Yeah. Why are you delayed?
I have no idea, but it's going to go well, I promise.
Okay.
We store them in electrochemical batteries.
So it's pretty delayed right now, so we'll just wait for a little bit and then come back to see the big top push.
You would think I could leave a fantastic tale like that? I imagine you're finding it incredible.
Pero ahora es como me siento súper confusa. No.
It has now been postponed one more time, and it's now going to be 1 more hour. Yeah. Why?
Hey, because it takes time.
It's now almost 4:30 and time for the big top push. They've gotten pretty far. So apparently this is not the push is just the bottom poles. But we'll have to see. How cool are these helmets?
So cool!
So fashion!
Are you excited?
Very excited for this.
And go in the middle! Be careful! Be careful!
There's quite a lot of people here actually. Are you excited?
I am, yeah, I'm really excited. I honestly did think though that we're going to see the whole tent go up, so a bit anticlimactic, it's only the sides going up.
The what? The style. The style.
Are you excited for the push, Alex?
Oh yeah, I can't wait.
Your hat really doesn't fit you.
Nah, not really. It's good.
How's it going?
Very good. Very good. What do you think about it?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cold. Nearly done, nearly done.
This is so cool.
I'm like, this is not anticlimactic at all. This is really, really fun.
That was awesome! They're so strong!
It was like giving birth to a tent. It was push! I almost cried.
Thank you very much, and soon there will be your home. Your home will be ready, guys. Let's go.
I see a spark of light shining. Alegria.
Why did you have trouble today?
What? I wasn't here. Other people had trouble. I just showed up an hour ago.
How many people did it take to push that thing?
We need 75 people.
75?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, we always hire approximately 100 people locally to help us.
Wow.
And we did calculate. If I will have one person to set up the whole site by himself, it will take 6 years. So yeah, that's a fun fact.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks guys for your patience. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Shongi,
Yes!
what does the big top push mean for you?
It means I'm building my new house, the new show, with my new family! This is beautiful! Welcome to cold Montreal, it's the best place on earth! Love it! Enjoy it!
It's up. That's it. I think they're gonna put some sides on, but that was the big push for us. And we're gonna move down here in 2 weeks and start training on the stage, because the stage got moved from the headquarters and it's now gonna be set up down here.
We got a tent now.
You had some problems today, didn't you?
Yeah, it didn't go as planned. Sorry about that.
What happened?
You know, it's a brand new tent. New cables. The temperature. The tent is cold. Needs to stretch a little bit. But as you saw, we succeeded. And now Alegria has a brand new house.
Do you like the color?
Yeah, it's pretty kick-ass. Yeah. It's been a while since we have a blue and white. Usually it's a blue and yellow, or a gray and blue. But this one is pretty cool. Yeah, man.
Maybe you need an introduction. This is one of the technicians. He's pretty cool.
Chocolate.
Here's another one. He's pretty cool too.
Hey, oh.
And there's another one.
He's not that cool though, that guy. But we love him.
Well, good work today. It was fun. It was fun to watch.
Thanks for coming.
Bye.
Boom. See you later.